I open my eyes to a new day. The light touches my face softly. I take a deep breath and whisper, "Today I speak with love." My voice is calm. My heart is open. I let go of yesterday's fear. I am ready to grow again. One word, one thought, one smile. I say to myself, I am learning. Each mistake teaches me something new. Each effort builds my future. I trust the process of progress. I place my hand on my heart. I feel the warmth of life inside me. I am enough. I am strong. I am becoming who I am meant to be. My English does not need to be perfect. My words only need to be real. When I speak with love, people feel my heart before my grammar. I breathe in confidence. I breathe out doubt. The more I speak, the braver I become. Every sound I make is power. Every sentence is a seed of growth. I imagine light around my voice. It grows brighter with each word. My voice carries peace, courage, and joy. My English carries my soul. I am not shy anymore. I am free to express my truth. Every time I speak, I shine. Every time I try, I win. I repeat with energy, I love my voice. I love my growth. I am learning slowly but surely. Progress is already happening. The morning sun reminds me every day is a second chance. Yesterday's gone. Today is mine. This is where I rise again. I smile to myself with kindness. I forgive my past mistakes. They were steps on my path. They made me stronger than before. I say gently, I believe in me. I believe in my power to change. I believe in my ability to speak. My belief grows like light at sunrise. I am not afraid of small steps. Every small step leads to greatness. Every small effort builds mastery. Consistency is my magic. I choose courage over perfection. I choose love over fear. I choose to speak instead of staying silent. This is how confidence begins. I repeat, I am learning. I am improving. Each repetition builds my mind. Each word becomes easier and clearer. I am shaping my English with patience. When I speak, I connect with the world. I connect with new people, new dreams. My voice opens doors I once feared. Now I walk through them with pride. I see my reflection and smile. This is not the old me. This is the new version. Confident, calm, unstoppable. I whisper to my heart, thank you. Thank you for never giving up. Thank you for learning, even when tired. Thank you for believing again. I breathe slowly, feeling peace. My body relaxes, my mind clears. English becomes natural, soft, alive. It flows like music through me. I repeat, I am patient. I am kind. These words guide my learning. Kindness is power. Patience is strength. I grow with both, day by day. When I forget a word, I don't quit. I smile and try again. Every mistake is progress in disguise. I am not afraid to try. I imagine my future self. Fluent, fearless, smiling with peace. That person is already inside me. I am becoming them right now. The more I repeat, the deeper it goes. The more I speak, the freer I feel. My voice no longer shakes. It sings with confidence. I remind myself, I am the student and the teacher. I am learning from my journey. And I am teaching my heart how to trust. Growth is my daily practice. My English is my bridge to the world. My confidence is my passport. I walk proudly across both. I belong everywhere I go. I choose to speak with gratitude. Gratitude opens my heart wide. It turns nervousness into energy. It turns fear into excitement. I repeat softly. I am growing every day in small, invisible ways. My growth is quiet but powerful. I trust that time is my friend. When I speak, I don't perform. I express, I connect, I feel. My goal is not perfection, it's presence. And in presence I shine. I look to the sky and smile. The universe listens to my effort. It rewards persistence, not speed. It blesses those who keep going. I am proud of myself today. For showing up, for trying again, for choosing growth. Instead of fear, that is real success. My words carry love. Love for learning, love for living. Each phrase I say in English is a declaration of courage. I imagine my voice like a wave. It moves gently but powerfully. It reaches hearts far away. It connects souls across borders. I say again, I am confident. Confidence grows when I use it. Like a muscle, it becomes stronger. Today, I train that muscle with love. I am not in competition with anyone. My only goal is to be better than yesterday. Progress, not perfection, is my path. Peace, not pressure, is my fuel. Each word I speak adds to my story. Each story adds to my light. I am the author of my journey, and my journey is beautiful. I repeat, I trust myself. Even when I feel afraid, I trust. Even when I make mistakes, I trust. Even when I'm tired, I continue. The world needs my voice. Someone will be inspired by my courage. Someone will learn from my effort. My English can touch hearts. I stand tall. My shoulders relax. My breath is deep and calm. Confidence is not loud. It's peaceful. I carry that peace inside me. I remind myself I am improving, even if I don't see it yet. Growth happens quietly, like dawn. But soon everyone will see the light. I celebrate every little victory. One new word. One brave sentence. Each success adds strength to my soul. Each repetition brings me closer. I whisper, I love learning. Learning makes me alive. Learning makes me limitless. Learning makes me free. I know that today will be good, because I choose to make it so. Positivity is not luck, it's choice. And I choose love in every word. I breathe in light, I breathe out fear. My heart opens, my confidence grows. I am calm, I am clear, I am ready. This is my moment to shine. I say proudly, I speak with love, and love answers me in return. It fills my mind with clarity. It fills my English with life. This is my new beginning. My voice, my journey, my power. Every day I repeat, I rise again. I speak with love, always.